today we are going to review the dust collection robot mop and vacuum, the Redroad R10. In the highly competitive smart vacuum cleaners market, can the R10 stand out with its high cost performance ratio? Let's find out together. The Redroad R10 is priced at only $299. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, the first thing we can say is the R10 itself. It's a circular and white design. Very simple and elegant. Okay, the second thing is the automatic dust collection base. It looks moderately sized, making it friendly to the small apartment. Okay, what else in the package? 2 side brushes, the cleaning tool, a mopping cloth, a manual, and the charging pad. Okay, let's look closely at the R10. Its appearance is similar to other robot vacuums. On the top, there is a LDS laser radar, and at the bottom, there is a side brush and a roller brush. The rear of the device features a 2-in-1 dust and water tank. The R10 uses the smart electric control water tank design, which can change the water output according to different flow materials. The capacity of the water tank is 350 mm, and this is the water inlet. In the middle, there is a dust bin. Since the R10 comes with a dust collection station, we don't need to manually empty the dust bin often. Overall, the design of the R10 is simple and practical, unassuming but of good quality. For product price about $300, it's quite comprehensive. However, the appearance is not the whole story with a robot vacuum. The key is in its true performance. So let's set it up and say its true capabilities. Okay, let's wake it up. First, we need to find a suitable place to set up the automatic dust collection base, and then plug it in. Press the power button. Next, download the Smart Life app and connect it. Let's have a quick mapping. While waiting for the mapping, let's know something about the app. The app interface is quite intuitive, with remote controls for cleaning modes, suction power, and water tank output. There are also scheduled cleanings, no-go zones, and virtual wall settings. Notably, it has a multi-room zoning cleaning feature, allowing you to set cleaning sequences and frequencies for different areas. For example, you can set the living room to be cleaned daily and the bedroom every other day. The app's operation is similar to other robot vacuum we've discussed before. Okay, the map is ready. Let's see how it performs in its first run. After all, a good robot vacuum needs to know how to run and clean. First is the navigation system. The R10 uses LDS laser radar navigation, which is currently mainstream. It not only accurately recognizes room layouts, but also supports automatic tuning for selective cleaning. In our tests, the R10's path planning was quite smart, rarely causing repeated cleaning or missing spots. Compared to early visual or random collision navigation, this is a significant improvement. However, it might be slightly less adaptable in complex environments compared to some high-end models with AI visual assistance. The R10's cleaning performance is a highlight. With 4,000 pound suction power, it's impressive at this price point, easily handling dust, hair, and small debris on the floor. I scattered cat litter, dog food, flour, and hair on the floor to simulate common household messes, and the R10 cleaned everything up almost in one go. The R10 also has a carpet boost feature, automatically increasing suction when it detects carpet. which is particularly useful for competitive areas. In my test with various obstacles, the R10 performed admirably. While it may not match some flagship models with suction power over 5,000 Pa, it's more than sufficient for daily home cleaning. The mopping function is often a weak point for many robot vacuums, but the R10 performs decently in this regard. It uses a small electric control water tank, automatically adjusting water output based on the floor material. In practice, it effectively handles light stains and footprints. For stubborn stains, manual intervention may still be needed. Overall, while it may not replace the traditional mops, it's more than enough to maintain the floor cleanliness on a daily basis. The automatic dust collection feature is another highlight of the R10. After each cleaning, it may automatically return to the base to collect the dust. The 21,000 Pa suction power may pull the debris from the dust bin into the dust bag. The 4-liter dust bag capacity means it only needs to be replaced every 90 days, eliminating frequent emptying. Speaking of maintenance, the R10 is very user-friendly. The dust bag needs replacement every 90 days. The whole process is very simple. Just open the dust collection base. Remove the old dust bag and throw it away. Insert the new one. It takes just 1 minute without dirtying your hands. The filter and the roller brush need cleaning approximately 2 weeks. Remove the filter. Gently tap off the dust and rinse it with water when necessary, but make sure it will be dry before the next use. About the roller brush, we can cut off the tangled hair and threads using the cleaning tool. And wipe it with a damp cloth. It's better to clean the mop after each use and let it dry. The whole process is very simple and easy, not adding too much burden. In summary, the Redroad R10 performs very excellently among the products in the same price range. It combines with many high-end features such as the LDS navigation, the automatic dust collection, and the smart water tank while being very affordable. The Redroad R10 is particularly suitable for those budget-conscious consumers who want to experience the high-end features, the large families, the pet owners, and the busy professionals. While it may not match the flagship models, it's more than sufficient for daily cleaning needs of most households. Overall, the Redroad R10 proves with its performance that it's a diligent assistant, maybe not perfect but definitely competent and affordable. In the growing smart home market, it's no doubt a balanced and economical choice. That's a comprehensive review of the Redroad R10. Hope my video can help you to select a robot vacuum. If you have any question or experience, feel free to leave a comment below, and if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!